Welcome. Today we will discuss another implementation of selection structure in C++ using dev C++, that is called conditional operator. Okay, so let's start by creating a new project in dev C++. First of all, we have to go to file menu, create a new project using console option, select here C++ project, and we are typing here conditional operator. Click on OK, save the project. The default line of codes will be written or displayed automatically in the dev C++. We have to write here using namespace because we are required here to use standard input and standard output that are called simply C and Cout statement in the main function. Conditional operator is the good, or we can also say the best alternate of if-else statement. We can just write down the entire logic of the if-else statement in a single line. The syntax for conditional operator is as follows. We have to write down the condition, that is the relational expression or logical expression or compound relational expression. We have to just type here question mark, write down here true and colon and the false case. This is the syntax for the conditional operator. Okay, this is also called ternary operator because three operands are involved in the conditional operator. So let's start by creating a new variable. We are writing here the project or program for finding out or identify whether a given year or input year is leap year or not. For this purpose, we are going here to declare a variable is called y. We are displaying a message enter here and just getting the input in y variable. This is the input and declaration line of codes. Here I will write down the conditional operator that is such like of this: if y modulus 4, because we know that to find out the even or odd number we have to get down modulus by 2, and if we want to find out the fourth number or get the fourth number from the provided number is taken by the modulus of 4. If we want to take the every 13th number from the input, we have to modulus from 13. If we want to get the 7th number from the input, we have to get down its modulus by 7. So that is equivalent to 0, we have to provide here question mark, that is the second operand of the ternary operator. We have to write down here Cout. If this is true, this is the true case, leap year. After this, we have to write down the false case. We can just say that not a leap year. After this, we have to place the semicolon. So let's check it by, we have to first of all save this project or C++ file. I am giving here the year 2000 is a leap year because it is totally divided by the 4. What are the other perspective of conditional operator? I have to just quickly cover it. We can also use conditional operator in the assignment statement. How we can use it in the assignment statement? If we want to assign the value of the variable, we say that bool b, and we assign b as the result of the leap year or not leap year, rather than we save it in true or false. Here we are using the conditional operator or the result of conditional operator in assignment statement. This is also good implementation or use of conditional operator. Here the simple 3 or 4 line of codes are written here for the explanation of conditional operator. In these line of codes, 3 line of code, we have take input from the user, and the next is the variable that is declared for the assignment operator. These lines of code explains how the conditional operator works. First of all, we have to provide condition question mark, then the true case colon, and at last we have to write down the false case. After this we can also see out it will return us either 1 or 0. We have to execute this code. We say that enter year, if we say that 2000, it will return 1 because boolean 1 is equal to true or boolean 0 is equal to false. Again we have to execute the code for other years. Let's suppose this is returning 0 because boolean 0 is equal to the false and 2001 is not a leap year, so that the return from the conditional operator is false. So nice, keep watching, subscribe our channel for the latest update. You can also view other complicated data structures and implementations and C program concepts from our YouTube channel. Thank you.